Hi guys, and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Wink app. To start this tutorial, open the Wink application in your mobile device. Now wait for the application to finish loading. If it fails to load, close and reopen the Wink application. Once the Wink application is already loaded, all you need to do this time is, for example, you find this person. You need to be friends to view their socials, right? First, you swipe left. And then in here, click on the three dots, and then a pop-up will appear, which then will allow you to block the user. You can do the same for every other user that you want to block over at Wink. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.